What's up?
What's up?
Well, hold on. You might get shot here in a second.
I'll get behind you.
Thanks.
Yeah, no problem. Oh, there he is. Oh, come on, get him.
That's Donovan's arm coming out of the side.
Yeah. Move on up here. Yeah. Right.
What? Get out of mags already.
Already? Really?
I'm on my high cap. I didn't load any.
Oh, really? That sucks.
Did I hit his ass? Hey. By God. Hey. We ain't making it. Dude, we have nothing to do. Hey. Yell at the preschool or whatever the hell that is. The cover us on the left. We can make it to the Coastal Ridge or whatever the hell that is. Hey, you want to make a run for it? We're at. It's a problem. Look at that. We got too much rock. No, we're not doing that. If we can get these two guys to lay it down without the team, we can make it. Pretty sure that shotgun's gonna reach.
Huh?
I got shot since I started running.
Yeah, these guys are a bunch of cheapos. Oh, here come BBs. Yeah, I'm done.
I almost hit.
So I'm recording. I'm getting in front of you. This dude's gun's freaking legit.
Huh?
Because your gun's like legit.
Thanks, man.
Let me get some blowback.
You filming this?
Oh yeah, let me get some blowback on this thing.
Let me get a scope out here.
It's freaking awesome.
You hear that? I'm gonna get to them and tell them to shoot at those. I'm gonna get decked, dude.
Dude, I got lit up 15 times in that last scan, dude. It freaking sucked. Hey, their BBs can reach here, right? Their BBs can reach here.
Yeah, I know. But I'm just taking a risk.
Right there. Dude, oh yeah, you got him. Get some backfield action.
He's right there crouching down.
Come on, you guys move up. Come on, dude, get him.
Oh my God.
Oh, dude, that guy just got 9 knife kills. Oh my God. Oh, dude, that was sick. Dude, come here. That was raw, dude. I just got that all on video.
He came up through there, didn't he?
That guy, dude, he got like 6 knife kills.
Come up through here?
Yeah, dude. No, he came around.
All that way?
Yeah, dude. That's freaking raw. But you guys are all out there.
No, we're not. No, we're not. You're not allowed to go. Yeah, you're not allowed to go out there.
Oh, you're not? That was still raw, though. You got to admit.
No.
A kid that's got that much guts to do that.
He used the part of the field that he's not supposed to be in.
No, he came around. He used the field.
No, he didn't. How would he use the field to come up through there? We would have at least.
Yeah, we would have marked him. Come on, mark that guy. There, you got him.
I got him. Jesus.
BB's landing right there.
I know.
Oh yeah, that's a hit.
Yeah, by far that's the hit. What the deuce?
Whoa, get down.
Purple team, you were killed by kid that was behind you. You were not dead. He crossed the creek against the wolf. You're all back in.
Okay, that was still pretty cool though. Hey, you want to move up there?
No.
Come on.
Dude, they're all pinned down.
I know, they're just friggin' pinned. Did you get more kills here than you are anywhere else?
Here?
Yeah.
I've already gotten 2 from here.
Yeah. See the cookhouse over there? You can move up there easily.
Oh, dude, my knee's hurt. Oh. Frick, dude. Oh.
Pop up.
Yep, now he's hit.
Huh?
Now he's hit. There he is.
Whoa, whoa.
Oh, no, he's not.
Oh, he's not?
He's right down to the A.
Yeah. Hold on, they can't see you with your camo on.
It's either a mag with the whining or somebody just stripped their gears.
I don't know. Whoa, snap. Oh, oh,
Got him.
nice.
Finally.
Dude, that was freaking awesome. He's like, hit.
I see a guy next to Bravo thing.
Yep.
His head poking out, but no, it's a barrel.
This is Airsoft Central 101. Thanks for watching.